paborito eh. Okay, try natin sa Jollibee! Para makawin ka sa Raya! Wow, alright. Sorry, mas marami po talaga sila. Okay, so ganito. Para sa ating first game,
Across the room, I can see it. Can't stop myself from looking. Noticing you, noticing me. Watch out.
alright. So para sa ating first game o warm-up natin ngayong gabi, ipapasa ko po itong balon sa inyong lahat. After nyan, ipapasa nyo rin po sa inyong katabi. After po nyan, kung sino basta pa na music na may hawak na balons of course, pupunta rito sa harapan, itatry niya po yung challenge ko. Yay! Kung sasayaw or kakanta, yan. Walang lalabas, ha? Okay. Para may tatayo ka agad. Okay, so ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Pass! 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 Di naman go! 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 Pass! Pass! Go! 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 Pass! Dito! Go! Pass! Pass! Go! Pass! Pass! Go! 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 Pass! 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 Go! Pass! 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 Go! 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 Side! Side! Sobrang side naman! Sobrang side! Go! 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 Oh, Tito. Si Tito Sino ang lastas na balon? Si Tita. Sino? Sino? Tita. Tita come here. Tita come here. Tita come here. Tita come here. Alright. Tita come here. Alright. Wow, first challenge natin, ha? Okay. Ayan. Come here, ma'am. Okay. Dito tayo sa gitna, ma'am. Para makita natin nilang talent mo. Okay. Ay, yes, ma'am. Naku, lahat ng tao mo may talent. Okay. Alright. Hi, ma'am. What's your name? Good evening. What's your name again?
Runway.
Alright. Palakpak ang mga fans ni ma'am dyan. Wow. Daming fans. Say hi to your fans. Come and go.
Ay, ako si Jezabel.
Alright. So, ready na dyan, ma'am? Sasayaw muna tayo, ha? Okay. Hindi ko rin tumigil ng dyan si mommy dahil tayo sasayaw. 1, 2, 3, to the mountain! Wow! Hindi daw siya meron sumayaw. Okay. One more, isa pa, isa pa! Yan! Alright! Okay, maraming salamat. Pakalaman natin si Mom once again. Thank you. Thank you for joining us in the next game. Sabi yung team ko siya maraming hindi mo ako parang sumayaw. Hindi mo ako parang sumayaw. Okay. Next, one more, yeah. Go, go, ready, pass. Pass, go, 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 pass, pass, pass. Go, 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 pass. Go, 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 pass, pass, pass. Go, pass, pass. Go, go, go. Pasa, pasa. Dito kunin mo. Alright, Sino? Sino nasa sabay? Sino? Tito, ikaw. Tito. Sir. Kayo po na pala kami yan. Yan. Alright. Okay, come here. Okay, sir, come here. Good evening po. What's your name again?
Ronnie.
Okay, sir, ganito ang challenge namin sa'yo, ha? Hindi ba mapatalo kay ma'am, ha? Kanina, ha? Magandang gawin natin. Okay, go. Close your eyes. Yan. Okay, everybody. Palampakan muna natin sa sir once again. Dahil it's kagat lapit time muna, sir. Come and go. Close your eyes. It's kagat lapit time. Come on, come and go. Yeah! Go na, sir. Go na. Sige! Yeah! Go na, sir. Sige! Alright! Maraming salamat po, sir. Thank you for joining us in the next game. Ang galing ni Sir Magagat Come and go. Palakpak, what's your name, sir? Alex. Wow! Alright. Tingnan natin si Sir Alex. Okay, everybody. Palakpakan mo natin Sir Alex once again. Alright, 1, 2, let's do the papaya dance once again. Come and go. Papaya dance! Walang kawalan, papaya dance. Come and go. Yeah! Alright! Sir, may sariling version ng papaya dance. Okay, mag-go. Come on, yeah, sige. Alright, thank you once again, sir. Maraming salamat po. Alright. Doon po na ako sa ating warm-up. Lahat natin halika dito sa harapan. Everybody gets come here. Lahat natin dito sa harapan for our first game. Everybody gets come here. Alright, kids come here. Everybody gets come here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Come here, everyone. Ayan. Try nga natin kung di tayo papatala kay Mommy Danny. Okay. 1. Alright. Dito na sa gitna naman. Everyone, come here. Halika lahat sa halika. Alright, so para sa ating first game, ito yung tinatawag na, syempre lagi natin ginagawa ito sa Jolly Kids Party. Ito ay tinatawag na, the Bini Game. Sasabihin ko lang po yung item, of course. After yan, dadalhin nyo dito sa harapan. Kung syempre kung sino, ayan, nabubula siya. Syempre kung sino mo siya magkakar ng prize, galing sa